video of me actually in the field. It was actually Saturday, and I had some time to kill, so I actually just drove down the street to pick up some test strips from people who actually didn't actually need it. So I just want to show you guys where I'm at right now. Um, if I can, this is where I actually met the person at to actually pick it up, and basically in about actually it was about 15 minutes. I made about 200 bucks. Right, real simple. Again, you guys know me. I teach IT, but I've also developed another business that I want to show you guys how to actually make some extra money with. Right, it's so simple. I'll say it again. It's the most no-brainer business that you can get yourself into. Like if you have a car, if you have a phone, you're in business. You can start this business in basically 2 days, and basically you can make about $1,000 a day easy, not a problem. So, real quick, as you guys can see, I picked up this one box, AccuCheck, and then I picked up this other box, Trulicity. Both of these are going for over $200 combined. All right, so when I just picked that up, I just basically just put $200 in my pocket. Real simple. So what I'm going to do with that, I'm just going to ship it out to the buyers who I know, probably either today or tomorrow. You just get paid, PayPal, done. Got my money, done. Real easy, guys. This is not a complicated business. This is not a one of those. It's not even a dirty business. You're just literally driving down the street to go pick stuff up. Done. That's all you're doing. You're driving down the street to pick stuff up. Done. All right. And then actually, by the end of the day, and I'll post another video of this as well because I have about 7 more boxes I have to go pick up, and this is for One Touch Varios. That's the one that my client says he has. So each one of those boxes pays about 45 bucks. So if you multiply 45 by 7, I believe that is 315 bucks. And then he also has a contour, and that those contours are going for about 60 bucks. So that's about 370 bucks, give or take. Right? And I'll have all that tonight. So that's 375 plus this 200, so that's about 575. Yeah. Guys, look, this is not a complicated business. I'm just driving down the street, picking the boxes up, done. It's what else you want from me, right? I wish I could give you guys more. I wish I could tell you it's more complicated than that, but it really isn't, right? Again, these are the boxes. You can see these boxes right here, and this box right here. Just 2 boxes. Just gave me 200 bucks, right? So some of you guys might be asking, okay, so how much do you have to pay for these boxes? The answer is yes. You do have to pay for these boxes, but um, if you go to boxflippers.com, I teach you how to actually pay for these boxes as cheaply as possible. Right? A lot of times, a lot of these people they just throw these boxes away. They just don't want them. Right? And sometimes you can get some of these boxes for free. Or you pay like 10, 20% of whatever it is. So for instance, this 200 bucks. If I paid 30 bucks for it, what do I care? So I basically pocket 170 bucks in 30 minutes, just driving down the street. That's it. You know. So this 575 by the end of the day. Okay, so I pocket about 450. All right. So that's what I'm going to do. Right. So it's that simple, guys. Just go to the course boxflippers.com, learn more, sign up because there's a little bit more to it in terms of how to actually find these clients, so where they can actually start contacting you um, on a monthly basis, and on a daily basis. So when they have their stuff, what I'm saying, if you're good to them, they keep calling you all the time. They keep calling you all the time, right? If you're good to you, and if you're fair, and sometimes you might even have to give a little bit more. Sometimes you might give 30% of your profits. So if a box is going for, say, I don't know, say 30 bucks, you give them 10 bucks. Okay, no big deal. Okay, so forget that you gave them 10 bucks. You drove down the street and you made 20 bucks. All right, but it's not just one box they're gonna give you. They're probably gonna give you 10. So you just made 200 bucks in 15 minutes. So that's basically what this business is all about. It's not a dirty business at all, but there are some things that you have to do first until things start actually multiplying and stuff. It's something that you can use to multiply your income significantly and stuff like that. But I'm out here in the field and I'm showing you guys how to get it done, right? So basically go to boxflippers.com, just sign up. And of course, it's super cheap, guys. It's super, super duper cheap, right? Like I told you guys before, there are other people who are actually teaching this, and I find it insulting that they're charging people $1,800 for this or $1,799. There's no need for that, right? The way our course is designed is for you to take action immediately, right? And for price to not be an option, right? So it's basically $399, and you just for $399, if you can make $2,000 a week, what are we talking about? Right? It's a drop in a bucket. All right. So go ahead, sign up on boxflippers.com and learn all the stuff. Now, I'm showing you guys every day, basically, how I'm getting this stuff done. Right. I basically pick up these boxes on my way to the gym, basically. Right. So it's just like a part-time job that's not even part-time. I'm just driving and I'm just, hey, they call me, hey, where you at? Okay, meet me here. They meet me there. Exchange. Boom. Done. Off to the gym. Beats having to work a security job where you got to work 12 hours to make $300. Screw that, right? Working some desk job where you got to be there for 8 hours to make $200. Screw that, man. I made that in 15 minutes, no problem, right? I'm going about my business. So for those of you who are interested, go in there. And for those of you who are interested in IT, yep, the course is still there. Go to newwayitsolutions.com. This is for those of you who you want an office job and you want to make 120, $150,000 a year. Go to newwayitsolutions.com or go to training.newwayitsolutions.com, and then just and then go from there. Right. The course that you want to select would be the online course. Click on that. Ship out your laptop, and you get your training. Now this training is about 8 to 10 weeks. Right. We give you homework assignments and all that good stuff. So you guys go on my YouTube channel and see how the curriculum is being taught. You can see ain't nobody teaching Oracle like I'm teaching it. It's just ain't nobody is teaching that like I'm teaching it, right? So, but you can judge for yourself. But yeah, for the Box Flippers course, it's just simply boxflippers.com. For the IT course, training.newwayitsolutions.com, and I'll put the link in the description. All right, talk to you guys soon.